Hi, okay, we're on the first pair of exercises in the trunk or core circuit of the seated pushback exercise program. Let's go back to our sturdy chair. The first is bird dogs, the seated version. We sit up straight and tall, stabilize our trunk, raise one arm and the opposite leg. Bring it down and switch. Looking for balance and control in the trunk muscles. Looking for fullest range of motion in the arm and the leg. That exercise is paired with the proud chest exercise. Hands come behind the body at the sacrum, and then reach down the hands for the seat of the chair, extending the elbows and opening the chest. Cue to pull the shoulders down and away from the ears. Breathe deeply. And then tuck the chin to add a stretch to the back of the neck. I often cue this exercise from the side so people can see what I'm doing with my hands. Behind my back, extended, open chest, drop the head. That's the bird dog and the proud chest exercise.